How to change the auto lock time on your iPhone 6s. Auto lock automatically turns off your screen after a period of inactivity, helping save battery life and improve your device's security. To get started, open the Settings app and tap Display and Brightness. Next, select Auto Lock. You'll now see several time options, including 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and never, depending on your iPhone and iOS version. Simply tap the option you want, and your new auto lock setting will be saved immediately. If you want to keep your screen on longer while reading or watching something, choose a longer time. If you want better battery life and added security, a shorter auto lock time is the better choice. That's it. You've successfully changed the auto lock time on your iPhone 6. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and easy tech guides.